is Cassandra Butterfield, and I'm the Executive Assistant and Intake Coordinator for Exquisite. Exquisite is a nonprofit that walks alongside survivors of sex trafficking, sexual assault, and domestic violence. Being one of the first of our kind in our area to serve these beautiful diamonds and walk alongside them, we needed a system that could house all this information, where our advocates could also have the information they needed, and our mentees could also be in a safe environment to share information and get guidance from their advocates. We thought we were asking a lot, but we came upon Coming Home and it had everything we needed. Our advocates are now able to create that long-lasting bond with their mentees to bring them out of their trauma into their new life and freedom in a safe environment. Our executive and our board can pull pertinent information when they need to be able to track and make sure that our diamonds, our mentees, are getting the best care possible. We can also use this information for grants and to provide funding into our organization. Coming Home has been a huge blessing in our organization, and we can't wait to see how it grows and what it becomes in the future and what Exquisite is able to use it for as well.